Now I'm going to show how to assemble this Husqvarna 45 chainsaw. I have nicely cleaned cylinder heads. You can see it's really shiny from all sides. Also cleaned inside. Use the sandpaper, about 1200 grit. You can see it's nice and shiny. Also from the side of where the muffler is going to be attached, it's clean and shiny, because we had a lot of sediment and some grease inside, so it looked really bad. Now the crankshaft with the piston, you can see it's also been cleaned. It's really shiny. To put the ring back, so you have to be very careful with this gasket, because it can move, so you have to be really careful not to damage when you install it. So one of the things that you need to keep in mind, that these two markings, they have to be they are indicating the upper side. And before installing this, actually I'm going to drip a little bit just normal engine oil on the gasket and around here. Just to grease it a little bit. Well, it's 4-stroke oil. To be really careful with this one. Right. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the two-stroke oil, so you can see it's reddish color. It's quite different. So I'm going to little bit here in the ball bearing here, because I mean these parts anyway will be greased when the engine is running. I tend also have to put it a little bit on the piston, especially on this ring and around. Now the cylinder head. Just to check before you assemble that it moves really nicely. Right, so from here you will have to rotate it and insert these 4 screws. It's the wrench piece. So I'm going to tighten all of them, not too much. going to leave a couple turns before I screw it tight, just to check that everything moves as it should. Alright. All good. Yes, and we can feel that the piston is moving.